everyone. We want to discuss how to use Marquee tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. This is Marquee tool. The shortcut is letter M. Remember that? Letter M. There's no need to press Ctrl. Just press letter M. So it will come up. We have a rectangular Marquee tool and the elliptical Marquee tool, single row Marquee tool, single column Marquee tool. We'll be making use of this rectangular and elliptical Marquee tool. So once we create this one, click and drag. After clicking and drag, we want to fill it with foreground color. This is the foreground color and this is the background color. We can change this color by clicking on it and select the color we want. Okay, so if you want to fill the color with foreground color, you press Alt backspace. So this has filled the color of the selected area of our canvas. So if we want to add stroke to it, right click and select stroke. Let's give the stroke a color. Let's give it color. Can make the pixel 30. This one at the center. Opacity 100 and click OK. So this has given it a stroke. You want to cancel this one, Ctrl D. Press Ctrl D. Let's create a new layer and try elliptical Marquee tool. They perform the same function, but the shape is different. So let's hold this layer. So make the shape perfect. Sometimes you can click and hold Shift key. Click and hold Shift key. So we shall be filling this one with a background color. To fill it with background color, press Ctrl backspace. Ctrl plus backspace. Let's add a stroke to it. Right click and select stroke. Okay. And then deselect. Ctrl D to deselect. Okay. That is first aspect of Marquee tool we'll be discussing. The next step we want to discuss in Marquee tool is how to copy and paste and how to cut the part of an image and paste. We can use Marquee tool to cut certain part of an image, or we copy part of that image and blend it with another one, with another part. Excuse me. So this is the layer where we want to copy or cut. So we go back to Marquee tool, either rectangular or elliptical. We are using it for the same function, but the shape will be different. That's just the difference. The difference is just shape. Okay, so we select it and press Ctrl C to copy. So to paste, create a new layer and press Ctrl V. So Ctrl V. We press move to by pressing V, letter V. So the color is the same. That's why we can't see what we have pasted. But click and drag, it will come out. Okay. So let's cut. We come back to this layer. We can use this one to cut part of this shape. We selected that. Press Ctrl X. Ctrl or Command X. Create a new layer. Ctrl V. Sometimes you may not need to paste when you cut because you may need it to remove certain part of an image. And most times you can use Marquee tool to remove. For instance, you've already made the selection and you want to remove it, you can just press backspace. Let's try with this. So Marquee tool. So once you select and you want to remove that part, when you cut, it will hold. You have the ability to paste it. But if you just select and press backspace, it will remove that portion, but you won't be able to paste it. So let's press backspace now and see the difference. So it has removed that portion and we won't be able to paste it again. Let's press Ctrl D to deselect. So this is brief ways to use Marquee tool in Photoshop. If you have any question or comment, please drop it in the description below. And if you have any further instruction or suggestion, so you can put it in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.